Hey guys, it's Val
and Jess,
and we'll be making a video on how to make a Halloween decoration. We're going to be making a pumpkin, a mini pumpkin.
Okay, the materials you're going to need are orange paper. Now this was on here like this, and you're just going to use 4 of them and fold it into eighths.
So we had a big piece of paper and then we folded it into eighths and then we cut 4 of them off and then you cut each separate thing. So then we have 4.
Then you're going to need black and green paper for the eyes and mouth.
And the black paper you would use Sharpie, and then you would use these for the stem.
And we're not keeping it like this, we're actually going to cut out tracing the line.
Okay, so we already, well, what you're going to do is fold these pieces of paper in half. And then you're going to put a dot right in the middle. And then once you have 2 of them, you would stick them into a T, like that. And then you're going to do that.
So we're going to work on this one together right now to show you.
Yeah.
So you want to fold all of them. Oh yes, and you're also going to need tape and or glue.
Here.
So you're going to
Alright, so you're gonna have 2 crosses. Okay? 2 crosses. And when you have 2 crosses, then you're gonna put them so it looks like a snowflake.
So you're going to take your tape and start with that.
Alright, we already did this and we taped it all so it looked like that. This is the back where all the tape is. We have it in eighths. Now, all we have to do is just tape it together. Make sure the taped part is in the middle so when you fold it, it won't show. So let's get started on that.
Okay. So what you want to do is you're going to take the bottom piece and the other bottom piece that's attached to it and fold those 2 in first. 2 bottoms, fold them in and tape them. Just like that. So right now it kind of looks like a spider.
It's going to look really tiny. Okay? Then you're going to take the other 2 ends and do the same.
You might want to just move them a little bit like this. So then the next 2 bottom ones,
like that.
and you're going to attach it to the other piece.
Okay, so it's
just like that.
Piece for me. There we go. So tape one side and then grab the other. Okay, then you're gonna grab the other 2 sides. Keep doing the same with every each side.
And keep doing the bottom of each one.
Okay, right now I only have 2 left.
Now, we split it 1 piece of paper, but if you do it on your own, the pumpkin will be a little bit bigger and a better pumpkin, but ours is really tiny.
Yep. You did. Alright, so let's just. Okay, and then I have to get 1 more piece of paper.
Okay, so you might want to just plop it up a little bit, like that, and then fold the last 2 over, like that.
Okay.
And now, instead of holding like this, like we usually would do, we're going to hold it like this, so you have a face.
Okay, so this is my last piece of tape. Just see. Okay.
And this is what it looks like.
Now, if you had a bigger pumpkin, you would be able to put the face on the side, but right now,
And it would be like about this big. You'll be able to hold it like a ball.
yeah. But right now we have to cut the face out. So I have triangles as eyes. One triangle. Cut there. My guy might have a little lopsided eyes, but you know, that's the point of Halloween. Not everything's perfect.
So cut out the teeth and everything. So you should have 2 teeth. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 mouth and 2 eyes. Okay. And then you're going to place them onto your pumpkin where you want them.
Okay, so I cut out my mouth. Let's get my 2 eyes.
And take a piece of tape.
Tape it right on.
So it looks like this. Now it's time for the stem. And in the back it has a little spot that you can actually stick the stem in, or you can just tape it on. So you can take your green, and I'm going to cut it up a little bit, make it a little smaller and curved. Like this. And it's going to go right in the back with a piece of tape.
Okay, so this is my face. I just finished my face. And I'm gonna do the same for the sun. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut my stem to make it look a little more swivelly.
Okay. And here is the finished piece.
Alright, so I'm cutting his, whatever the pumpkin is, the stem, to make it look a little more, okay, see? These are a pumpkin.
And
see, mine has a little swivelly tail.
you can hang this on the door or just put it
You could stick it
on
on
the
your
counter.
wall,
Yeah,
your bedroom wall.
anywhere you want to put it. Okay?
Alright, well anyway, that's our pumpkin. Thanks for watching.